Hey guys, this is Mike from Beat Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Alcatel Go Flip 4. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at the Alcatel Go Flip 4. So this is actually the first flip phone that I've ever unboxed to my knowledge ever since starting this channel back in 2012. You'd be surprised, right, that I really only started off with Android phones. So again, shout out to Alcatel or TCL USA for sending this out. Those are the ones that sent this phone to me, so big shout out to them to test out for you guys. And again, this is the Alcatel Go Flip 4. Again, I don't really know much about the device. I will read off some specs here in just a bit once I get the phone unboxed, but if you want to scooch in really quick here and read that out really quick, here are the tech specs. You get a 2.8 inch display, 1.4 inch external display, that little one on the outside, so that's the one you'll see with notifications. 2 megapixel rear camera, Wi-Fi calling capable, VO LTE capable, music player and video player. It's got a web browser, email, and calculator, 4G LTE capable, quad core processor in this little thing. It says CAOS, simple to use interface. So, and again, it has micro SD card slot capabilities. So very interesting. Again, I would like to see what this comes with inside the box, actually, just because, I mean, what kind of chargers do these phones use? I'm gonna assume either micro USB or even maybe USB Type-C, but we'll find out. It's just so interesting. And again, I'm hoping that they sent this to me activated so I can actually use this device and actually show you guys the features of the device. And again, this is going to go for people that really are just not into smartphones, basically. So if you have grandparents or someone that you know in your life that really just wants to have a phone to make phone calls, or even something for business, right? You know, a lot of people really only need phones for their business so that they can call out and text message, simple stuff. That's it. So let's get this unboxing going. And again, I'll leave that there in the background so that you guys can see there. But there it is, thumbnail. That's going to be my thumbnail for the most part. Interesting design, honestly. And again, I miss the functionality of flip phones because, first of all, they're super small, lightweight, and they're just, fun to use at certain points. Again, you get that old school texting over here. This one's really not bad, honestly. It's very lightweight. It's one of those phones that probably you can drop around a bunch of times and it'll probably never break. Let's check out that little front-facing camera, which it'll double as a rear camera, and I'm sure it has some sort of mode where you can flip it and it'll let you take the picture from the front. It's got that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I'm assuming this probably doesn't have any type of Bluetooth connectivity, but you never know, right? Again, it's got an 1800 milliamp battery, according to the specs here as well. And again, again, it's just so interesting. It's got the type of SIM card it uses is nano, and I want to say it's a built-in battery. Let's open this up let's open the box up just to get the rest of this going. Let's see what's on the inside. Again, I might actually have to take out the battery. So it does come with a SIM card. Looks like they sent a T-Mobile SIM with that. So again, I don't know if this is something I'm going to be able to activate, but we'll see. And if I do, I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. A very thick user guide, something I haven't seen in a while. Looks like a charging cable, of course, right? Which you're going to get that with most devices. And looks like charging wire. Let's try to find the actual port for it to charge. Here we go. There we go. It looks like, honestly, it looks like a Type-C charger. I'm not going to lie. This does look like a Type-C charger. Let me see if I can get that to focus, which is very shocking, again, for a device that's probably going to be under $50. And again, I'll have to relocate. I'll put that on the top right corner to correct myself, or I'll put it in the description below so you guys can check that out. And again, I'll throw in affiliate links as well with this, just so y'all can check it out. Pretty interesting though, for the most part. I'm just super awed by this device and how old school. It's very lightweight. I'm gonna tell you that much. Like, very plasticky feel also, but again, not in a bad way. It's got some sort of like textured grip on it, so it doesn't feel too slippery in the hand. And let me see if this thing turns on. Let's see. Hold on the power button. See if I can get the screen protector off here. Maybe the. And again, I might have to find the battery. There might be an instance where I have to open it up and Let's see really quick. Hold on, I guess maybe it doesn't have a battery. Again, we're gonna have to go old school. Oh, here we go. Looks like it does. It will need the battery. Maybe the battery. Oh, you know what? The battery is lying in there. So let me go ahead and get this set up for you guys really quick, and then we'll get back to the phone here. All right. So as you can see the back here, you can see that it does have micro SD card expansion for photos and video, and it does have the area for the SIM card right there. So I'm actually gonna see if I can throw in the SIM card. It says slide in. So this is gonna be a little tough since I haven't really done this in a while, but there we go. I already stuck the SIM card in. Let's hope it stays like that. I'm really not going to put an SD card in there just because, but I will go ahead and talk about it in the internal memory, I guess. But let's go ahead and get the battery in, because again, I don't know if this thing is activated. They sent me a SIM card with this, so again, I don't know if it's something I have to activate on my own, but let's go ahead and see. Hopefully this thing has juice. And I'm trying to figure out, there we go, the little, it does explain the functions right here. So if you want to hit your notifications, you do have to hit this little button. If you want to hit your contacts, this little button down here. To navigate, you just, of course, the navigation button. And of course you have button for email, your back button, your star button. And obviously you guys know what the red and green buttons do. So let's go ahead and get this baby turned on. Hopefully, and I am filming on the Pixel 6 Pro, by the way, so I've never heard of KaiOS, by the way, but it's definitely, but again, just other keynoted items to talk about. Brilliant color display, which you can tell there's a little bit of washing when you're moving the phone around. User friendly and intuitive. Again, this is stuff that I'm reading here. Get the apps that you need is the flip phone with all the familiar features that you love, and none of the hassle, right? So again, here we go. It's by T-Mobile. Power that delivers. Go camping or a trip or talk to your friends for a long time. Up to 12 hours talk time. So wow, I'm very interested. So cool, by the way. And I did not know this was going to be on T-Mobile's network, so that's pretty cool. But again, I might end up having to text some people over here and test this out. But let's take a look. Let's see what this looks like.
Please press left software key.
Okay, so I'm going to assume that this is English. Searching it. Wow, this thing is actually Wi-Fi capable. So let's go ahead and let's enter this out really quick. Let's see. Let me just punch out the password really quick. And again, this is so interesting, guys. Oh man, who knew? Let's see if it connects now to my Wi-Fi, which I had no clue these phones were even Wi-Fi capable. I figured it would just. So now it's connected to my Wi-Fi network. Wow, it's pretty crazy. So let's go ahead and click next. Select the network now. I'm so used to doing this. It's not even funny. I'm so used to not. Let's see, schedule install time. Let's just go to the easiest way to keep the system up to date. Let's do that. Done. No, we'll just do auto updates. I'm over the age of 16. I use my data to improve user experience. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna accept. Oh my gosh. See what's in store. It's got a software update available, so find Kai Store app on the first page of apps menu. So Kai, I guess this is like I have no clue. I've never heard of this OS, by the way. But here it is. Here's the actual home of the actual phone, and I do have a little bit of juice left, a little bit of battery. And let's take a look at our notifications here really quick. Software update. So pretty interesting, I guess. Software update. Let's go ahead and update this again. We want to make sure it's running the most up-to-date firmware on this actual device. So let's get this updated, and then I'll fill you in on what's happening. All right, so we are back, and the phone, it did start up or whatever. So again, I'm not going to go too much into this, but I'm just kind of going to try to navigate through what I can navigate through really quick before we go off. And again, I will probably make a separate video on this, but for the most part, again, your contact button is up here, and again, I don't have any contacts added here, but if I wanted to go back, you can either press the end button to go back, right? That's usually the cancel button. To text message, obviously this button right here, no new messages. I'll have to figure that out. I'm gonna maybe get somebody like my buddy Latrell to help test this out with, so we'll see how that goes. For now, let's see what else. Let's see, what does the star button do? The star button says no favorite contact, so again, I guess if you have a favorite contact, you can use that. Let's just see what the OK button does. So the OK button takes you here, opens up the Kai store. Camera, ooh, camera I'm interested in. Hold on, let's take a look at the camera really quick. So camera, again, camera would like to know your location. I'm gonna deny that just because we really don't need that. It says welcome to camera, press left and right key to switch between photo and video mode. Okay, great. So again, if I wanted to just take a photo here, which again, I don't know how good this is gonna come out, but we'll find out. We'll have to figure that out. Let's preview really quick. Oh, it really doesn't look bad, honestly. Let's go back here really quick. I'm just laughing because this thing is so old school. Let's see if I can close it, and maybe there's a camera mode. Maybe there's a way we can do camera mode from closing it to take a selfie, but maybe not. I really thought there would be. Let's see. Let's go to options. Let's see if options does anything here. So camera resolution, you have a few differences here. You do have self shutter. You can turn on the grid. You can go to gallery, photo mode, and of course you can go from photo mode to video mode. So again, if I wanted to take video, I would just change that. Let's try that. Let's see. Let's go to options here really quick. So again, you have video resolution, standard and high, low. Again, I would love to make a separate video just on how good these come out, and if I'm able to actually connect this to a phone and send it out, right? Go to video mode. Let's go back to photo mode really quick. But again, for the most part, guys, I'm just showing you some of the key functionalities here. It does have a basic browser here, camera, messaging. Let's see if there's more than one page. It looks like there's more. It looks like there is a game section. So utilities, you have a music section. You do have Google Maps, which is pretty cool. So you have a little bit of Google features here. I want to say KaiOS is some sort of like, and look at this, YouTube. Again, I don't know if this is the actual app, but let's see. This your little thing is going to actually scroll you down. Of course, I'm sure you would have to log in just to see what's going on. So for the most part, again, YouTube, I'm hoping that there's some sort of dark mode here. Spider-Man coming out very soon in about a day, so I guess we'll see how that goes. But just so you guys know, YouTube does work. Let's check out this Mr. Beast video really quick. Let's see how it comes out on our end. It's kind of not bad, honestly. Honestly, you really have to be looking at this like at specific angles, but let's see, so volume. Well, I think it's pretty cool that I want to tap this so bad.
Hey, Chandler, yeah, you know what to do. I got you. I've been waiting.
So, really not bad, guys, honestly. Here, let's go back here. Let's go back to the let's go back here. Let's just see what other features that you have. You have your mail, your notes, your videos, file manager. So a little bit of everything. Who knows what type of games. I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to play like, high def games here, but games that you'll be able to use with the keypad here. Let's check out their OS really quick, or their Kai OS, just to see what's going on there. And again, I don't know if I have. It says I am connected, so we'll see. But let's see. We're gonna probably have to update all right now, but I'm sure I'm able to download like Facebook or something, or maybe not. We'll see. Let's go to social. Tweet Fit, a better Twitter for KaiOS. So really not really. You might have to actually open it up on the browser, if anything, like old school way, right? I mean, at this point, you know, you're not really using this phone to get on social media like Twitter and whatnot, but you do have games, you do have entertainment, you do have health apps as well, and it is interesting to see what's happening. Like, you know, even though a lot of people really don't use these phones anymore, what type of features this has, and really I'm impressed. You know, like the speed of this phone is crazy. You know, it's just going fast. I'm not having any lag issue, of course. You know, I really wish, you know, this was some sort of a touch screen, but really not. But again, you know, yeah, and this one, same. It does say I have one notification. So again, guys, you know, just a quick overview of the Alcatel Go Flip 4. So again, guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Review signing off. Don't forget to smash the like button. And again, I'll see if I can throw in a link for you down below so y'all can check this out. Again, thanks again for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.